Welcome to SkVm Sudoku. I am going to solve the Hindu newspaper Sudoku puzzle on April 22, 2022. 5-star Sudoku. Third row, we have 3 and 8. So 3 and 8 can't come these cells. It will come any of the two cells. Column B, we already have 8. So 8 can't come in this cell. 8 is confirmed here. Then 3 is here. First grid, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column C, we have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Third row, 4 numbers are remaining, 4, 5, 6, 7. Second grid, we have 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come in any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 6 and 5. It will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Ninth grid, 6th row and 4th row, we have 7. So 7 can't come these cells. Then 7 is confirmed here. We can confirm 4 also here. Column I, 3 numbers are remaining, 2, 4, 9. 6th row, we have 2, 1, 9. So 2, 1, 9 can't come this cell. It will come any of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only one number is remaining, 4. 4 is confirmed here. Second row, we have 6 and 5. So 6 and 5 can't come these cells. It will come in with the two cells. Column H, we already have 6. So 6 can't be in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 5 is here. Fifth row and 7th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells. Then 3 is confirmed here. 6th row, 3 numbers are remaining, 1, 5, 8. Column H, column C, we have 5. So 5 can't come these cells. Then 5 is confirmed here. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. It will come any one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Seventh grade, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. Then 8 is confirmed here. Then 1 also you can confirm here. Column C, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 9th row, we have 6. So 6 can't come in this cell. 6 is confirmed here. Then 1 is here. Column H, we have 4 and 1. So 1 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in one of the two cells. 9th row, we already have 1. So 1 can't come in this cell. 1 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 9th grade, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. 10th row, 4 numbers are remaining, 1, 2, 6, 9. 7th grade, we have 1 and 6. So 1 and 6 can't come these cells. It will come in one of the two cells. We will confirm later. Then only 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column B, we already have 9. So 9 can't come in this cell. 9 is confirmed here. Then 2 is here. Ninth row, we have 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 can't come this cell. It will come in with the two cells. Column B, we already have 3. So 3 can't come in this cell. 3 is confirmed here. Then 4 is here. 7th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 7. 7 is confirmed here. Column D, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 4. It will come any of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column B, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 6. 7th row, we already have 6. So 6 can't come in the cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. 8th grade and 5th grade. And 4th row, we have 3. So 3 can't come these cells, then 3 is confirmed here. Column E, column G, we have pair numbers 4 and 7. So 4 and 7 can't come these cells. It will come any one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column E, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells. 8 will come any one of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. Column E, column G, and 9th row, we have 8. So 8 can't come these cells, then 8 is confirmed here. Eighth row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 9. Column G, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 9th grade, only 1 number is remaining, 2 is confirmed here. Column I, only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 4th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 2, it will come any one of the cells, we will confirm later. 2nd grade, only 1 number is remaining, 9 is confirmed here. 2nd row, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 8. Column J, we already have 2, so 2 can't come in the cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column J, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. 5th row, we already have 9, so 9 can't come in the cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Column H, 2 numbers are remaining, 7 and 8. It will come any of the 2 cells, we will confirm later. 9th row, 2 numbers are remaining, 5 and 9. Column F, we have 9, so 9 can't come in this cell, 9 is confirmed here, then 5 is here. Since 5 is here, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 6 is here. Column F, we have 6, so 6 can't come in this cell, 6 is confirmed here, then 1 is here. Column F, we have 1, so 1 can't come in this cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. Column E, 2 numbers are remaining, 2 and 5. 5th row, we have 5, so 5 can't come in this cell, 5 is confirmed here, then 2 is here. 5th row, we have 2, so 2 can't come in this cell, 2 is confirmed here, then 4 is here. Fifth row, we have 4, so 4 can't come in the cell, 4 is confirmed here, then 7 is here. Since 7 is here, so 7 can't come in the cell, 7 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. Column G, 2 numbers are remaining, 1 and 8. 7th row, we have 1, so 1 can't come in the cell, 1 is confirmed here, then 8 is here. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Please like and share this video. Thank you very much.